Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to add shortcuts to your side keys on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll a bit down and select accessibility. Now you have to pick advanced settings, and here under direct access you will find both possibilities, so side and volume up keys, it's for them, and then volume up and down keys, obviously it's for the volume up and down keys. So let me pick the first option, side and volume up keys, and now we can switch on this shortcut by tapping on this switcher, and since now we will be able to activate one from the following options for the following functions by pressing the side and volume up keys at the same time. So let me pick, for example, negative colors, and as you can see from now on, if we'll tap quickly on power key and volume up key, we have color inverted. So let me go back to the normal one. You can obviously pick some other functions, so it's up to you which one you prefer. I will leave it this way. And now let's go to volume up and down keys. Let me activate it by tapping on this switcher, and now we can select the service. So we can pick either phone companion, universal switch, or voice assistant. I will pick the third option. Allow it. OK. And as you can see, from now on, once we hold volume up and volume down key for 3 seconds, we will turn on this service. So let me tap on volume up and down keys all together.
Voice Wi-Fi signal full, volume up and down.
And as you can see, voice assistant is active. So that's it. Obviously you can
selected service.
You can pick some other.
Selected, not so, alert universal.
Allow
button. Allow button. Alert voice.
And as you can see, your voice assistant now is turned off, but you can activate it just by tapping on those switchers.
And your phone companion can list 3 items.
And as you can see, now you have the whole. Let me switch it off. You have whole shortcuts included here. So if you want to set up your phone and make it easier to open some further functions, simply activate those shortcuts so you will have quick access to super features. So that's basically all. This is. Let me switch off it.
Swipe up or down. Off, switch, off, on.
We can switch it off by tapping
off, switch, on.
Here. Then let's go to selected service.
Off, switch, on.
Tap twice to select.
Selected.
Let's go to voice assistant one more time. Allow.
But volume.
And now we can switch it off the same way. So just press both keys all together for 3 seconds.
Voice assistant off.
And as you can see, now it's off. So that's basically all. This is how you can add shortcuts to your side keys in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.